Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to open your Chevrolet Spark's bonnet. First, locate the bonnet release lever inside the car. It's usually found on the driver's side, down by your left foot, close to the door sill. Give this lever a firm pull towards you. You should hear a slight click from the front of the vehicle, indicating the primary latch has released. Now, walk to the front of your Spark. The bonnet will be slightly ajar, perhaps by 1 or 2 inches. Carefully reach your hand underneath the front edge of the bonnet, right in the middle. You'll be looking for a small, secondary safety latch or a tab. It's designed to prevent accidental opening while driving. Once you've located that secondary latch, you'll need to either push it to one side, typically to the left, or lift it upwards. This action will fully release the safety catch. The bonnet should then pop up a little further, allowing you to lift it completely open with ease. It's a simple 2-step process. With the bonnet open, find the prop rod, which is usually attached to the underside of the bonnet itself. Carefully lift the bonnet higher and insert the end of the prop rod into the designated hole or slot on the engine bay. Make sure it's firmly seated to keep the bonnet securely open while you work, preventing any accidental closures.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.